Hello guys, in this video I'll be talking about the season point that we have in our Portuguese lessons. So before I actually start, let me tell you guys the reason why I do this. It's basically to motivate students to interact and hopefully a fun way to learn and study Portuguese. And yeah, that's it. So here we have general information about the season point, and as you can tell by the name, it's a point and I think pays it, so I give students points. So we have attendance, interaction, quiz, homework, and test. So attendance gives you 1 point. Interaction, so microphone or chat, you receive 5 points. We have quiz, we have homework that give you 20 points. So to receive 20 points, you must do all of the exercises and send me your homework before the deadline. Test give you 20 points, so to receive 20 points you must get 60% of the test correct. And okay, so maybe let me show you guys this file here. As you can see, we have table. So as I just talked about here in this slide, we have attendance, so 1 point, interaction 5, quiz, homework, and test. So if I give quiz in a class, I would include the points here, homework and test. So and last we have this column where I put the total of the rows. So here, as you can see, 6 and 15. And as you can see here, each day, each class, I create a new table. So that's everything for season 2. As you can see, season 2, so we had season 1, season 2, season 3. And last, I would copy and paste each total column for each class and put them all together in this big table. So as you can see, these are the totals of each class that we had in season 2. And at the end, I would put them all together and have a total of a certain season. So as you can see, like the total of each student, and the student get the most points receive the prize. So now let's discuss the prize of being the winner of a certain season. So the prize would be to choose a topic of a future lesson. So for instance, let's say that you are the winner and you choose the topic TV shows. So I would prepare a class with vocabulary, verbs, phrases, and everything related to this topic in Portuguese. Not only this, but also you receive the MVP role and on the TLZ server for 1 week. And yeah, that's the prize and the perks of being the winner of a certain season. So now talking more about quiz. So I put this link here. So if you click, you will go to this slide presentation where I describe and talk better about quiz. So maybe you would want to read this by yourself. So like just to show you guys an example of quiz that we have. So for this one, you receive 2 points if you are the first to answer. So you would write your answer in lesson chat. And for this one, I display a number here, and you must write this number in Portuguese. So as I said in lessons chat, so this is the answer. So if you are the first to give me your answer, you would receive 2 points, and I would include these 2 points in this column here about quiz. And as you can see, we have different types of quizzes, so 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you can go through them by yourself. So this is the link. after, as I talked about, we have homework. So here, this is an example of homework that I gave. So here I put the instructions about the homework and also like some important information, so the deadline. And again, I mentioned that you would only get 20 points if you send me before the deadline and if you do the homework completely. And last, test. So our test is basically a Google Forms full of questions. And so for instance, this is a screenshot of one of the tests that we had about class 1 to 16. So as I said, you would only get 20 points if you get 60% of it right. And again, after you do your test, I would include your point here for test and the same for homework. And yeah, that's it about test. Alright, so here some extra informations. So you can access the slide presentations and tables by checking the pins in Portuguese chat channel. So if you go there to see the pins, you will see this one. And here it's basically a link to our Google Drive where I include all of our lessons and tables. So yeah, if you want to check, then just go to this link. And also, if you want to be notified whenever a Portuguese lesson is about to start, then I suggest you guys to get the Learning Portuguese role in set languages. So whenever a lesson is about to start, I would put announcement in teacher's announcement, and yeah, that's how you would know when our Portuguese lesson is about to start. And last, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to DM me. So this is my username and my tag. So yeah, if you have any questions, just DM me. That's okay. And well, that's it. So thanks for watching this, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.